Going on, guys? Welcome into Stock Talk with Nico Kritikos. Today, we're taking a look at Walgreens stock because the stock is now up over 17% after news came out that they are in talks to sell themselves to a private equity firm called Sycamore Partners. And I have owned this stock multiple times in the past, and it's just been a disaster. If we look at the last time I owned this, it was May 2023, I sold out at $30 a share. Good thing I did because the stock was now under $10 a share. And I must have been buying $33 and even below. I probably was buying even cheaper than that. But I don't know if I took a loss on that one or not. Either way, I'm glad I got out at $30 because over the last 18 months, it's only gotten worse. So the last 5 years, this stock has now gone from a $59 stock to a $10 stock today, but recently it was as cheap as $8 a share. So this market cap is now only $8.9 billion. Somehow the dividend yield is up to 11%. I don't know why they haven't cut the dividend yield when they're struggling so much. I mean, the net income has been negative for the last 2 years. 2024, they lost $8.6 billion, which is insane. But so I guess they cut the dividend, but they shouldn't be paying a dividend at all because the company is in huge trouble. I'm surprised that the shares outstanding has not gone up like crazy, to be honest. But this company is just for so many years now, it's been going downhill. Trailing 12 months revenue, 147 billion. I mean, it's just insane to think that this company is now a $9 billion company and they're doing 147 billion in revenue. But it's because they're losing money, they're mismanaged, and the profit margins have been insanely low. So let's look at, yeah, trailing 12 months, 8.6 negative $8.6 billion. Let's go to the balance sheet here, and we can see the cash to debt ratio, which has just gotten out of control. $30 billion of debt and only 3 billion in cash. Okay. It's just been a huge upsetting situation. Free cash flow is now negative. And so I don't even know what to say about this. We're looking at EPS being flat for next year, 1% revenue growth. And so honestly, I think it's unfortunate that Walgreens is in this position where they have to sell themselves out. And I mean, think about if you're the private equity firm who is buying this and has to turn this business around. I can't imagine, the type of struggles they're going to have doing that. But I'm also, let's see, what was their profit margins in prior years? So their highest margin was 3%, right? They were lucky to get a 3% profit margin. So it's just been a disaster at this company. And so that is all for CVS. I don't know that I wouldn't want to be, this is just a bad situation for everybody. I wouldn't want to be a shareholder in Walgreens. I wouldn't want to be Walgreens. And I wouldn't want to be the private equity firm who is having to take this challenge on now and somehow is going to try to reverse this company. It's incredible. So that is all I have to say about Walgreens stock. Let me know what you guys think down below, and I will see you in the next video.